Tenemos que tener buen día, buen día. Hello, is it audible now? Hello, please respond anyone. Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, Venkatesh.
Yes,
Venkatesh, your name?
yes, sir.
Yes. So now you see here. Yesterday we are completed algae general characters, thallus organizations. Okay. Similarly, so reproduction systems. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So even you see the algae, it is a three classes is there: chlorophyce,
Bryophyta,
phaeophyce,
Pteridophyta.
rhodophyce. Yes. Now we are going to discuss about in-depth study of in chlorophyce first. Okay, according to our syllabus, the first we are going to discuss about the chlorophyce. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Please tell me what is the meaning of how can we recognize it in chlorophyce? Okay. So
Matt,
where we are looking in chlorophytic algae means the chlorophyce class within the green algae. You see the chlorophyte algae is total green algae, total which contain different type of the pigments is there. Okay. Yes. So now you see what type of pigments you are looking in that one. What type of pigments is there? Here the chlorophytic algae is contained chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Total green color pigments is there. Along with there also you are looking in carotenoids and xanthophylls. Okay. So this is the first important point in how can we recognize in chlorophyce based on the pigments we are identified. So where the green algae, is it clear now? Okay. Yes. So next now you see the cell structures. Yeah. So what type of cell structures you are looking in chlorophytic algae means? So you see this is of in before going that one already we will yesterday completed. Generally the algae cell structure is a two types: unicellular, second
multicellular.
multicellars. That's why this chlorophytic algae. So here we are looking in unicellular algae. Okay, unicellular is a colonist type is there, colonist type. Okay, so and also now you see here this chlorophytic algae cell wall. It is a ridge-like structure. Ridge-like structure is there, and above the cell wall, so one mucilated cavity is also we are looking in that. So this is also one important characters. And so what type of chloroplast you are looking in that one means the chloroplast, it is a cup-shaped chloroplast. Okay, and the next one that is often a spiral shaped. Okay, and a discoid shaped. So different type of the shapes chloroplast we are looking in chlorophytic algae. And some storage food materials. Okay, mainly starch storage food materials we are looking in chlorophytic algae. And the reproduction system means asexual is there, and sexual also we are looking the asexual by the zoospores. The sexual means it is in already you very well that is of in isogamy and isogamy, and sometimes they are looking in ogamy also in chlorophytic algae. And now you see here the flagella is also most important. Flagella means it goes to one place to other places. Some of the chlamydomonas goes to one place to other places. So here the flagellas. Okay, so many species possesses flagellas some stage their life cycles, which is are typically used to the locomotions. Flagella are usually equal length. Number of commonly is sometimes are looking two, sometimes are looking more than two or three also flagellas. So we are looking chlorophytic algae. So the thallus organizations already unicellular and multicellular organizations. Yeah, this is a little bit characters of in chlorophytic algae. Now we are going to discuss about our syllabus, which one that is of in chlamydomonas. Okay, our syllabus that is of in chlamydomonas. The chlorophytic algae. Okay, class it is in chlorophyce, order it in Volvocalis, suborder that is of in chlamydomonas, family that is of in chlamydomonaceae, genus it is in chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. Okay, yes, almost all. The chlamydomonas, it is a freshwater algae. First point. Some of the members, it's a marine algae. Some marine area also we are looking. And next one, there is some of the terrestrials. Means these Chlamydomonas, it is a cosmopolitan distributions, almost are all over the worldwide. All over the worldwide, we are looking in Chlamydomonas. Okay. So next one, what type of cell wall we are looking in Chlamydomonas? Okay. The cell wall, it is a thin like layer is there, transparent means, so you see some of the chemicals are coming, goes to inside, uh, so inside, and some of the chemicals comes to inside to outside. Okay, so now you see here the outer, here the outer pectic inner cellulosic layer is there. Okay, when you are looking in the cell wall, that is of in outer outer layer and inner layer. Which one? There is of Chlamydomonas cell wall, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is made up of pectic. Okay, inner layer is made up of cellulose. Inner layer, it is often cellulose. Okay, audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So next one, now you see here cytoplasms. So what is the meaning of in cytoplasm? Generally, when we are looking in the cell, one, it is cell wall, second, there is a protoplasms. Okay. So here now you see cytoplasm. What is the meaning of cytoplasm? Please tell me.
Jelly-like structures.
Hmm?
Jelly-like structure.
What is the meaning of protoplasm?
Protoplasm.
Okay. Listen here. You see the first cell. Okay. Cell is divided in two parts. One, it is in cell wall. Second one is a protoplasm. Protoplasm means inside. Okay. So the cell wall, entire the structures, entire along with all, which one that is of in ribosomes, lysosomes, everything is we call that is a protoplasm. Okay. So here cytoplasm means, okay, so not other than, okay, for example, now you say this of Golgi bodies, above the Golgi bodies, above the lysosomes, above the nucleus, there we are looking on liquid materials is there. We call that is in cytoplasm. We call that is in cytoplasm. Generally, the Chlamydomonas cytoplasms, okay, here two regions is there. One, it is in a thin, clear outer regions, okay, with two anterior placed flagellas, few strands of granule reticulum free ribosomes, okay, and volutine granulus and mitochondria. This is one layer. This is in one layers. So second one, the dense regions possessing, okay, perinuclear means of Golgi bodies, dictyosomes, numerous mitochondria, okay, ribosomes, few strands of granular endoplasmic reticulum, single chloroplast, and nucleus. So this we call this is in cytoplasms. And now you see here nucleus. Nucleus found embedded in the cytoplasms. So it is a cup-shaped cavities. Cup-shaped cavities. Cup-shaped cavities chloroplast. Yeah. So in most cases, it is centrally situated, but maybe eccentric. Generally, the nucleus always we are looking center part of the cell. But Chlamydomonas, the nucleus we are looking in center part of the cell, sometimes eccentric, just beside the center. So we are looking, it is situated by maybe, okay, eccentric nearby the anterior regions. Okay, it remains usually surrounded by a ring, a small vacuoles called it is a central vacuoles. So this is of in nucleus. And next now you see chloroplast. Chloroplast is most important in cyanophytic algae. So already different type of the shapes you are looking in cyanophytic algae. And here it is a single cup-shaped chloroplast. Cup-shaped chloroplast. So we are looking in Chlamydomonas. Okay. So here, this is the little general characters structure of Chlamydomonas. Okay, you see once again, Chlamydomonas. It is a freshwater algae. This is the chlorophytic algae. Okay, the cell wall is made up of pectic and cellulose, outer layer and inner layers. Even the cytoplasm also we are looking. One it is a outer side like structures and second there is of inner like structures. So that is a two regions is there. Okay, that is of in a thin clear outer regions. Okay, so a dense region possessing of perinuclear of dictyosomes. Yeah, and the chloroplast is a cup shaped structures also we are looking in this one. Yeah, and next now you see here when you are looking in electron microscope in Chlamydomonas. Okay, when you are looking at electron microscope. Okay, so little bit in-depth investigations. One is the most important points is there, and pyrenoids. Okay, common pyrenoids is a proteinaceous structures, and now you see here one eye spot is there. Eye spot. Okay, so one color-like structures. One color-like structures. So when you are looking under electron microscope, okay, in Chlamydomonas, tip of the branch, there you are looking one color like structures. Okay, we call that is of an eye spot. We call that is of an eye spot. Okay, so an arranged reddish dot. Okay, arrange a reddish dot, so we call that is an eye spot. Yeah, and next one that is of in centric vacuoles is there. Okay, so already that is of in blepharoplast flagellas also we are looking in that one. Blepharoplast flagellas. Okay, two flagella arise from the two separate basal granules. Blepharoplast flagellas means the Chlamydomonas always is goes to one place to other places. That's why contain the flagellas. Okay, so these flagellas are germinated. These flagellas are coming. Okay, so two we call that as often arise from the two separate basal granules. We call this often blepharoplast flagellas. Blepharoplast flagellas. Okay, so and next one that is often so neuromotor operators. This is also most important. A flagella arise from basal granules called of blepharoplast. Blepharoplast. So these are joined by the fiber is called of peridosomes. Peridosomes. The centrosome situated outside the nucleus. Outside the nucleus. Okay. So connected by fine of protoplasmic thread called of rhizoplast. Rhizoplast means it is a little bit hair-like structures is there. We call that as of in rhizoplast. It is also connected to the peridosomes. Means this rhizoplast also connected to the where it is the peridosomes. Yeah. And next one that is of in here the movement is most important. Okay. What type of movement? How the Chlamydomonas is goes to one place to other places depending on the eye spot and flagellas. The first, his name is often Broco, 1962. So he discovered. So worked at the mechanism of flagellas actions. He referred since where type of movement which that is of in 11 in 1962 called it is a breaststroke type movement. Okay, so this is often little general characters of in flagellas. Yeah, next one now you see, oh, sorry, Chlamydomonas. And next one reproduction systems. So already you know very well, this is often first one, it is in asexual reproduction system. In asexual reproduction system, that is often Plamella stage is there. Plamella stage. Okay, means the plant body is produced some type of special type of the structures. Certain unfavorable conditions. Okay, so environmental conditions, the parallel cell wall gets the gelatiated means, so all the protoplasm coming together formations above one layer-like structure CJs. Favorable conditions, automatically that body is produced to the new plant. Okay. So that is in Pamela stage. Similarly, that is of in hypnospores also we are looking in that one. So that is of in asexual reproduction systems. You see here, unfavorable condition, plant body is modified as a one special type of the structures. Sometimes the plant body is germinated, some type of spores like structures. For example, now you see here, this is of in chlamydomonas. Unfavorable condition, the body total plant coming like this, and above these structures, one layer like structure is there. Favorable conditions, if it is favorable, automatically it is coming like this. Okay, so we call this of in Pamela stage. Similar that is of in hypnospores. Yeah. So next one you see here the sexual reproduction systems. Here that is of in isogametes. So isogametes means already you know very well. Iso, okay, means same type of the gametes, A and B. For example, this is the one chlamydomonas. Sir, this chlamydomonas, one of the section is produced to modified as a okay gametes. So this gamete is giving genetic materials. This gamete are taken. This gamete is giving genetic material. This one is taken. Isogamete. Similarly, second one that is of in anisogamy. Already you know very anisogamy means one is a plus, second that is of in minus. We call that is in anisogamy. Okay. So and next one, sometimes here also looking gammas type. Yeah. So gammas type already we know very well. Gammas means only female is stable, male are moment. That's of no gammas type. Okay. So this is of chlamydomonas. Yeah. Similarly, next one that is valvax. Yeah, here I'm showing the valvax. Now you see here valvax. So valvax also it is a fresh water planktonic algae. Yeah, this one it is in valvax. So the division of valvax is of in chlorophyce. Subdivision that is of in division it is a chlorophyta. Subdivision is of in chlorophyce. Order it is of in Valvocalis, and a family that is of in Valvocaceae, and genus it is in Valvax. Okay, so Valvax is a freshwater. It's of in freshwater. It is algae. Okay, so the genus represents the most of elaborate development of here. This is the most important. This one, synovial forms is occurring temporarily and permanent freshwater pools. Okay, with the size and small that is of in pinhead. Pinhead. You see now here the thallus structures. Here I am showing one diagram. So this is in Volvax colony. Okay, you see here always the Volvax. It is not a single. Okay, always it is a colonies type. You see now here one, two, three, four. Group of the uh, group of the colonies, group of the thallus. We are looking in particular one area, so we call this of in colony. Okay, you see now here the colony of valvax is composed a many small vegetative cells which form the cenobium. This is most important. Okay, so now here this of cenobium. Yes, what type of vegetative structures in Volvox colony. Yeah. So Volvox also belongs to Chlorophyceae. Okay. Here now you see the Volvox. It is a motial, motile cenobial. Cenobial means colonist type genus. Almost all Volvox comprise about 20 species. Is found in freshwater bodies such as ponds and lakes and all other areas we are looking in. Alvax, Volvax. Hello, is it audible? Please respond, anyone.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Audible. Huh? What is the meaning of cenobium? So read out here. Cenobium means
Valvax colonies group, sir.
yes, groups we call that is of in
Xeno.
cenobium, cenobiums. Okay. Yes. Now you see here asexual reproduction system of Volvax. So you see here generally, thallus means it is a colonies type. That's enough. Yeah, there is a thallus type structures. Means a unicellular thallus. Unicellular thallus, it is a colonies type. Now you see here asexual reproduction system. Okay. Generally, the asexual reproduction system by one special type of the structures is there. Unfavorable conditions. Okay. Unfavorable conditions. So asexual reproduction system takes place by the formation of daughter colony. Daughter colonies with the special asexual cells are parent colony. Okay. You see, for example, this is one colonies is there. So for example, here we are looking so many colonies is there. Yeah. Okay. So these colonies, what is going on here? Some unfavorable conditions. This entire the body is modified and one special type of the structures we call that is of in gonidias. Gonidias. Okay. Asexual reproduction system takes place by the formation of daughter colonies within the special asexual cells of the parent colony. These special cells are known as gonidias. So here now you see this one about these structures. So here now this is of in Volvax colony. This in this Volvax colony, what is going on here? Formation one special type of the structures we call this of in gonidias. So after the development, okay, 2 to about 50 gonidias are developed in the posterior half of the colony, above this colony. Okay, more than 10 to 15, sometimes more than 50 also. The gonidium divides longitudinally and all other succeeding divisions are longitudinally. Then here, now you see here, this one, dividing of gonidium is there. Yeah, this is dividing gonidiums. Further dividing the stages, so many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. And many, okay, uh, colonies conditions is there. And next now you said it is in divided. So now this is separated. So because this is in asexual reproduction systems. Asexual reproduction systems. And next now you see here the sexual reproduction system. This is also most important in this one. The sexual reproduction system is plant advanced type. This is of in oogamous type. Oogamous type. Here now you see here there is a sexual reproduction system. Yeah, now this one. See this diagram. Now this of in cenobiums means it is totally colonies. It is totally colonies. Hello,
Sir.
who is PG-130? Please respond, anyone. Yes, voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What type of reproduction system we are looking in Valvax?
Ogamas, sir.
Ogamous types, not sexual, asexual reproduction system. One special unfavorable conditions, the favorable conditions. So here we are looking one special type of the structures. We call that is in
Gonidium.
gonidiums. Gonidiums. Okay, gonidiums. Now you see the sexual reproduction systems. This is of an ogamous type. Okay. Uh, Okay. The cells that gives rise to oogonia, where it is in, this is, here we are looking, Valvax, here you are looking, my cursor is there.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Now you see here, this is in Valvax. This Valvax, one of the cell, one of the structures is modified as a male reproductive organ. Okay, one of the structures, one of the cell, one of the portion is going to modified as a male reproductive organ. Okay, second one of the sections, one of the portion, one of the part is modified as a female reproductive organs. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now you see here, in male reproductive organ, we call that is in antherozoids, antheridia, male reproductive organ. Okay.
Okay,
For
sir.
example, this section, this one, this area, you see now here, one of the portion is first one cell divided in two equal parts. Okay. Yeah. Here, only small percentage of cells is colony develops into the eggs. Eggs, it is a female reproductive organ. Male, it is in
Anthrozo.
antheridia. You see, this one, this is an antheridia. When the spores comes to outside in this area, we call that antherozoids. Zoids means which contain the flagellas. Before the flagella, that is of antheridia. Okay. When the
Okay, sir.
spores comes to, how the spores comes out in this area which contain the flagellas. Yes. So here now you see this is of in anthrozoids. Visible this anthrozoids?
Yes, sir.
Anthrozoids mother cells is there. Yeah. Here now you see this is of in ovule. This is of an ovule mother cells. Ovule mother cell. This side is in female. Here this side it is in
Male.
and males. Okay. How the development? The first, this is in Valvax. One, it is divided into equal parts. How the mitotic division going on here? That much of development we are looking male gameto, male. So that is the male reproductive organs. Yeah, here that is the development of a male. You see now here this of in anthrozoid mother cell. It is divided. So many anthrozoids comes to outside in this area, outside in this area. Similarly, this is of a female reproductive organ. This is of a female reproductive organ. These are all the structure developed only in this area. You see, this spores when comes outside in this area, it goes to where the female reproductive organs. Okay, so it goes to female reproductive organs. Yeah. Now you see here, the cell gives rise to antheridia, okay, enlarge in size and resemble of gonidia in the early stages. Cells giving rise to anthrozoids divide to give a blow-shaped, that is often globose colonies. So many shapes is there. At the time of fertilizations, see here, at the time of fertilizations, many anthrozoids entered in the oogonium. Okay, oogonium means it is in female reproductive organs. Okay, oogoniums, but only one anthrozoid becomes successfully to fertile the eggs. Means here we are looking the female reproductive organ. So many anthrozoids comes to outside in antheridial chamber, antheridial chambers. but so many anthrozoids is entered inside the female reproductive organ, but the female is accepted only one anthrozoids. Okay, when entered inside female reproductive organ, so it is going on to fertilizations. Okay, so after the fertilizations, formation is a zygote. This zygote is produced to the new plant. Okay, so this is of in valvax. Yeah, similarly, our syllabus where it is that is of in chlorella. Okay, so chlorella is also one. Chlorella also is same type of in chlorophycean. Okay, so that is of in suborder, that is of in Artosporinaceae and Chlorelaceae chlorella. The chlorella is also unicellular algae, which is terrestrial or many occur abundantly in habitat rich in organic matter within the cells of some invertebrates, forming a symbiotic association. And in the exudates of trees, chlorella is used in the study of respiration of photosynthesis. Chlorella is used to the purification of air in space capsule. Okay. Beside this, chlorella is a great economic importance as it has been reported in an antibiotic known as often chlorine. Chlorella is also most important in chlorophytic algae. Okay, this chlorella is used to where the space area space it produced to the heavy oxygens. Yeah, morphology. Chlorella it is in also unicellular but non-motile algae. This is most important. You see now, Chlamydomonas and Valvax, it is both are motile algae, but this is of in non-motile algae. It is a spherical and a subspherical ellipsoidal. Okay, the cell bound in the true cellulosic cell wall is there. Each cell has bell-shaped, cup-shaped, and where the partial chloroplast you are looking in chlorella. So pyrenoids also most important. Pyrenoids may or may not be present in chloroplasts. Okay, sometimes may present or may not be present. In the cytoplasm, centrally placed small single nucleus, mitochondria, and the Golgi bodies also are looking in chlorella. The photosynthetic thylakoids, the lack grano-like organizations. Okay, so this is of a little bit of chlorella general structures and reproduction system same asexual reproduction system by here one special type of the structures is there. Okay, so now you see our chlorella reproduce of extensively by the formation of four asexual attospores by division of mature cells and are liberated by rupture of the parent cell wall. It has quick method of multiplications. This is in asexual reproduction systems. So in fully grown algae shows division of the nucleus. Okay, that is of in centrolio divides in two daughters shift in the opposite and their nuclear membrane develops in the polar penetrations. So this is the asexual reproduction system. The asexual reproduction system by special type of the spores that is in attospores. Similarly, and same economic important. This also most important economic in chlorella. Chlorella is contain high percentage of proteins. That is of 50%. Fats are 20%. Carbohydrates are also 20%. We are looking. Okay, this is the chlorella, and it is used to the B12. Okay, vitamins, riboflavins. So many. Hello. Yes, respond. What happened? Nothing is audible. Yes. So this of in chlorella. And next one now you see are Sandismus. Okay. So this is also one chlorophytic algae. Okay, and here now you see the Sendismus. It is a planktonic flora arranged with the four either elongated cells with the long parallel axis is there. Okay, so generally found it is enough in fresh water. Okay, and most of the soil you're also looking in that one. Yeah, and it is of in Cenobia. Okay, structure of Cenobia, which is a plate-like structure is there, that is of in Sendismus. So similarly, a reproduction system by the protoplast leading by the formation of daughter cenobiums, which may not have same number of cells as that of the parent cenobiums. Okay, yes. So you see now here once again entire the chlorophyceae. Yes, and the genera of chlorophyceae. Okay, progressive development of almost of colonies types. Okay, that is of in unicellular chlamydomonas is highly complex colony in valvax. Okay, in valvax we can see enough tendency towards the coordination, the development of protoplasmic. Okay, that is of in concentration between the cells of colony. Okay, so this is of in chlorophyceae. One it is in chlamydomonas, and next one that is of in valvax and chlorella sendismus. Yeah, in this one, one question is there most important in this one. The short question purpose. Describe the detailed structure of chlamydomonas. Okay, first question. The second question, describe the detailed life history of valvax. Okay, so Sendismus, little bit it comes to sometimes it is in short question purpose, but chlamydomonas and valvax both are important. And now you see here, what is the neuromotor operators? Okay, what is often Pamela stage and flagellus moment? So these three questions are important chlorophyceae. And next one, one more, life histories of some genera of chlorophyceae. So now we are completed
Sir,
valvax.
excuse me.
Yes.
Uh, so you said describe in detail the structure of chlamydomonas, no, sir?
Yes, yes.
So what to write, sir, in that entire information
You see,
regarding to
yeah,
family?
yes, wait. Yes. The first one is a vegetative structure. First
Sir,
one.
okay,
Okay. Second one, reproduction system.
okay.
Reproduction system means asexual and sexual. Okay.
Both we have right.
Yes.
Okay.
Plus, you draw the neat diagrams. Diagrams also most important.
So regarding to reproduction, sir.
Reproduction.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Economic importance, if it is there, can we write, sir?
Economic importance. So
No need.
no need here. Here no need.
Okay, sir. If they ask about life history, likewise, we can
Yes.
add all this vegetative reproduction.
Yeah. Yes. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Next one. See, this of in Valva. Okay. Some people are saying in Alva. This is often one of the most important. Alva is also commonly called of sea lettuce because it is in marine algae. Okay, so marine habitat and green leafy habit. It is a cosmopolitan distributions. Alva. Some people are saying Valva, whatever it may be that is. Here, the plant body, leafy thallus-like structures. Alva, it is a leaf-like structures. Almost all the chlorophytic algae is a green carpet in spite of. You see here little bit advance above the whatever you are completed. See chlamydomonas looking like this. Alva looking like just little bit erect, little 1 centimeter to little bit erect. Okay. The plant body, it is a leafy thallus-like structures. Okay. Here, generally the plant body, it is a three parts is there. One, it is a blade, stalk, and whole post. See, this is most important point here. See how the plants are going to simple to complex. Whatever now you are completed, that is totally green. That is totally green carpet like. Which one that is in? Chlamydomonas. How many are completed now? Chlamydomonas, chlorella, chlorella, sorry, valvax, chlorella, and sandismus. Okay, this is totally flat like structure. Now valva little bit advanced. That's why you see this is also thallus, but this thallus, it is in what happened here? Three parts is there. Now we are completed. We are not saying like that. Totally green like structures, carpet like structures, but chlorophyta two little bit advanced. Okay, valva, it is a three parts is there. Blade like structure is there. Stalk like structure is there. Hold post. Okay, hold post. What is the meaning of a hold post? Hold post is a root like structure in algae, but it is not in a true root. Okay, but we are saying that something functions are whatever the root functions we are looking in this one, that's why we call hold post. Hold post. Here it is in hold post, blade like structures, and next one that is a stalk like structure in this. So now chlorella, flat like, sandismus, flat like structures in there. Okay, the blade form the bulk of the plant body. See, flat blade like structure is there. Okay, and it can be lanceolate, oval, or irregular shapes. Irregular shapes. Voice is low. Now voice is clear. This one is very difficult to me. Josna, voice is clear now. Respond. Yes. Okay. ऐसा पकड़ता हूँ. Now you see, it is in chlorophyte.
Okay,
Means
sir.
yes. The chlorophyte in Alva. This is a plant body, little bit advanced. It is a differentiated three parts is there. One, it is a blade flat like structure is there. Yeah. The basal part of the blade is narrow. Okay. Short stalk attached to the disc hold post. This is often hold post. Hold post means the root like structures is there. Root like structures is there. Yeah. So this one, this is a blade like structures. Above the blade, there is a stalk like structure is there. The thallus show is in isodiametric. Okay, vertical elongated, isodiametric. What is the meaning of an iso?
Same.
Same. Diametric means isodiametric means two shapes. One here, one structure is there, a little bit above. Here we are looking, one more is there. That's why we call that as an isodiametric. Vertical elongated cells is there. Thallus surface, their walls are more or less confluent with the other from Gelasian's matrix. So this is the structure of Volva thallus. Yeah. Next one, you see here reproduction systems. So generally some students are not came in yesterday. Yes. How many types of reproduction system in algae? Please tell, not Venkatesh. Venkatesh. No, Venkatesh, not yourself. Savita, please tell me.
Sir, can I say?
No, please. Savita or Josna. How many types of reproduction system in algae? This is general question.
Yes, sir. Vegetative reproduction,
Yes.
sexual, asexual.
Sexual, and next one
Asexual.
asexual. You see, first you see primitive, vegetative, asexual, sexual. Okay,
Okay.
so it's a general question this is in. And here in vulva, here we are looking three types of reproduction system is there. One, it is in vegetative. Already you know very well, but again and again I'm not going the vegetative reproduction system. Okay, so accidentally fragmentation of thallus is common feature of region aeration, the new thallus, and species growing in quite water means that is of vegetative reproduction systems. And next one, asexual reproduction system by the zoospores in alva. Okay, in alva, what type of asexual reproduction system is there? Zoospores. Okay, asexual reproduction system takes place by, okay, quadriflagellate zoospores, which is produced from more than 30 to 40 sometimes are looking. Okay, you see, favorable conditions, this ask me what is yes. Okay, favorable conditions, for example, this is in alva, this is in alva. In this area, one of the structures, favorable conditions, one cell is going to modified as a one special type of the structures. So here, this structure is contain the flagella. That's why we are saying here it is in juice spores. After the development, this juice spores comes to outside in this area. Automatically, it is taking food material from the hygroscopic method. It is germinated to the new plant. So, but in vulva, here by the juice spores. Okay. So the sexual reproduction systems. Yeah, already sexual reproduction system means, so one it is in male is there. Similarly, second one that is of in female also. We are looking in this one. The sexual reproduction system takes place by the fusion of biflagellate isogametes produced by from the cells of the sexual plant of extent 30 to more than 50 or sometimes are looking in 70. Gametes are smaller than the zoospores. Means this is the alva. Okay, this alva, it is germinated. One it is in male, second one that is of in female. Some of the portions, some of the section is modified, which contain that type of the genes. That cell is modified as a male, someone is modified as a female. For example, this one is going to modified as a male, this one is going to modified as a females. Okay, so that one here, this often isogametes is there, isogametes. So these isogametes are coming together, formation is a zygote. This zygote is produced to the new plant. Okay, so this is the asexual reproduction systems. And here now you see alva is of an alternation of generations. Two separate plants are involved in the life cycles on alva. Okay, so recorded an abnormal type of life cycle in mature of alva. Okay, so this is of in rare, it's of in abnormal. Alternation of generations. What is alternation of generations? Means this of in gametes is there, gametangia. Okay. Next one that is of in sporophyte and second alternation of generations. So this is of in alva. Okay. So once again now you see the alva, it is a commonly flat, okay, blade stalk body. The three parts is there. The reproduction system by three types: vegetative, asexual, and sexual. Similarly, next one that is of an enteromorpha. A little bit variation is there. Little bit variations. You see, when you are studying in subject, please you read comparative studies most important. What is the differentiated? What is the important point? That is enough. General characters are same. Chlorophysi characters are same. Green algae, which contain different type of the chloroplast, cup-shaped and discoid shaped water. That is all the common things. But how can we recognize it? The recognized points is most important. Alva, it is, you see, Chlamydomonas. How can we recognize the Chlamydomonas? Where the eye spot is there, flagellus is there. That is important. Okay. Yearly alva, it is a stalk hold post is there. Similarly, here one more important topic is there is of in enteromorpha. So enteromorpha is it is in marine algae. It is growing of channels and the salt of marshes covering largest areas. Okay. So it is attached to where the rocks and little bit advanced plant above the now we are completed structures. Okay. This is in here. This is in chlorophyce. In all the chlorophyce, green carpet like, but in this one, little bit erect branches is there. Erect branches. This is in marine algae. It is attached to where the rocks, the rock is attached with the hold post. Above the hold post, we are looking one erect hair-like branches is there. Hair-like branches. See now, first we are three completed. There is no erect branches. That is totally flat-like structures is there. Flat-like. That is in advance. That's all. Okay. So when we are looking in where there's enteromorpha, it is a long erect branches. You see in your book. Okay. So there's erect branches is theirs. Okay. The mature thallus hollow tube within the wall of one cell thickness. Okay. Minimum it is in 5 to or 4 centimeters areas comes to outside the whole past. So this is of in enteromorpha thallus like structures is theirs. Okay. And next similarly the growth development means this is in here we are looking in a rock and hold pass is there. So tip of the hold pass from here to going to metatic divisions. So this area it is produced to 3 or 4 centimeters in enteromorpha plant. See here how the plants are going, how the plants are coming simple to complex. Chlorophyce, it is a very simple structure is there. In chlorophyce, primitive, very simple structure is there. So when you are coming in advance, when you are coming one by one, how the development of plants. Here only one structure is there. So when you are coming here, sir, it is divided in two parts. These two parts again it is produced to the more than okay vegetative structures. Yes, similarly second one, the vegetative reproduction systems. So before going that one, the growth partially affected the apical cell, which is divided by the transfer or longitudinally walls into segments which increase the length of the thallus. This is most important. Okay. So you see when we are looking the thallus, here one apical cell is there, apical cells. This apical cell, it is going to divide it. How this cell is divided, that much of development we are looking in that area. Okay. So how the transfer sections, how the longitudinally sections. Okay. So here we are looking divisions. So how the divisions we are looking in this area. Same type of the development we are looking in this area. Because this of growth development. So when we are going to in high, the growth development is most important. We are studying in that is the higher plants. Next one, the reproduction system of enteromorpha. Yearly also same. That is of in vegetative, asexual, sexual. That is most important. Okay, already you know vegetative. Already you know the asexual reproduction system by the zoospores. It's a common. Okay, the sexual reproduction system. Here biflagellate gametes is there. The sexual reproduction affected by the fusion of biflagellate gametes. Just 1 minute. Yes. All right. Biflagellate gametes. Yeah. So what type of gametes is there in that one? Only gametes from the different plants of conjoined with other. The fusing are gametes, isogametes. Here also looking in isogametes. Okay. So already you know very well isogametes means same type of the gametes. Both together, the formation the zygote. Next it is produced to the new plant. Yeah, this is in enteromorpha. After the enteromorpha, yes, one more important point, important unit is there. So that is of in Idogonium. Idogonium. So here I am showing one PowerPoint. Just 1 minute. Here I am showing one PowerPoint.
Sir, you are on mute. Sir, you are on mute. We are unable to listen your voice.
Just 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now visible this one.
Yes, sir.
You see now here.
Yes, sir.
This is of Idogonium. Idogonium is most important. You see now how many you are completed? Venkatesh.
Sir.
Yes. How many you are completed now? Chlorophyte 1, Valvax. Next one.
Arilla.
First group.
Chlamydomonas.
Yes. Second one is.
Valvax.
Second one is a Valvax, and third one that is in Chlorella.
Arilla.
And Sendismus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number 2 that is of in Alva, Enteromorpha. Okay. What you are complete now, you see this is of in classification of Idogonium, Chlorophyce. Okay, Idogonialis. This is a common. Yeah. Next, now you see here this is of in Idogonium cell structures. Idogonium under the microscopic appear as narrow and cylindrical shape. You see, whatever now you are completed, that is totally flat shape structure is there. Okay. It is a little 1 or 2 erect branches is there. But when you are looking in Idogonium, it is a little bit advanced chlorophytic algae. Okay. You see here what type of shape is there? The cell of Idogonium, it is a cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape is there. Okay. Each and every cell of the filament is similar except for the uppermost cell, apical, and the lowermost hold past. Yes, this is the most important. For example, you see here our hand. This is a Idogonium. Here too we are looking 1, 2, 3. Here too we are looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells is there. All the cells are same except only one cell are different. One cell means which one? That is in where the below the where the attached of soil, where the attached of the rocks, that area little bit differences, little bit variations in above whatever you are completed. So whatever we are looking in this area below part, we call that is hold past. What is the meaning of hold past? It is a root-like structures. You see from here to from before Enteromorpha and here to we are started hold past. Now before we are not started. Before we are not saying there is no valvax or which one, there is no Chlamydomonas. There is no hold past. There is no root-like structure is there. This hold past, when you are going to in higher classes, this is modified to as a root. Now we are saying here is a hold past. So when you are going to little bit higher, that is often rhizoids. After the rhizoids, we are saying in the roots. Okay, so many differences there. But now here, instead of root, we are saying in algae, that is in hold past. Now clear to understand what is the meaning of in holds fast? Please tell me
Hold
here
fast.
anybody. What is the meaning of hold fast?
Hold fast is a root-like structure, sir.
Root-like structure. That's enough. Okay, na? Yes. But here now you see here each and every cell of the filament is similar. All the cells are similar except, okay, which one there is of in except uppermost cell and all the lowermost cells. Uppermost cell is also uppermost and lowermost also different. Lowermost we call that is of in hold fast. Now you see here why it is why you are saying the except in upper means you see the apical cells is a white but rounded at the tip of the cap like structure. That's why that is often little differ. Okay, so apical cell is white but rounded at the tip with the cap. The hold post cell has elongated growth on both the unattached with the sides that help. Here I am showing now one the diagrams. Here now you see this one. It is clear visible. Yeah, this one it is in Idogonium. Okay. Now you see here this one it is in hold post. This is all the vegetative structure is there. Vegetative structures. So when you are looking in this area, upper area, so it is a cap-like structure is there. Cap-like structures. Here this one, this of in one cell. Okay. So this one, this is in cap-like structures is there. That's why this is in little variation from above cell to lower cells. Yeah. Next one. Now you see the whole post cell has elongated growth on okay, it is complete. Also the whole post is the only colorless cell of the filament. Above the cells all are same colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all the same colors except whole post. It is a little bit, okay, little bit, okay, colorless filament. The number of caps on the cells in the filament signifies how many times of cell divided. Means, so here we are looking so many caps is there. How many caps you are looking in this one? How many caps you are looking in this one? That much of cell divisions. So we are looking here now. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So many caps is there. How many caps you are looking in that one? That much of cell divisions we are observing in this one. Okay. Here now you see, and this one. Yes. Okay. What type of once again? The plant grows means Idogonium. The plant grows in a, before going that one, the classifications, division of Chlorophyta, order is of Idogonialis, family that is of Idogonialis, and next one that is of genus, it is Idogoniums. Yeah, next one, the plant grows means this Idogonium grows in only the quiet water, usually attached to the plants by the whole pus. The cells of the filament is a uninucleate associated with the reticulate chloroplast containing pyrenoids. Okay. And next one, they undergo several successive divisions. Particularly the cell divisions is most important. In short question also most important. What type of cell division we are looking in Idogonium? So many cell divisions we are looking. You see, for example, 1, 2, 3 is there. This is a one cell. So here, how the divisions we are looking in this area, divisions is going on. Okay. So there we are looking cap-like structures is there. So many cell divisions we are looking in this Idogoniums. Okay. So they undergo several successive divisions, each leaving the characteristic of hemicellulosic of apical cap. Cap cells are prominent, leaving a ring-like structures is there. Okay, it is called cap-like structure. We call that is often cap. It is often special dwarf filament. It is often Nanandrum species, which develops in androspores and Microandra species. And one more important point is there. In Idogonium, two type of species is there. One, it is in Nanandra species. Second, there is often Microandrous species. So what is nanoandrous? What is microandrous? So we will later we will discuss in the next one. What is the vegetative structure? So this is of vegetative structures. You see now here, the each cell of the filament is made up of, okay, one cell is made up of three layers is there. Now before you are coming only two layers, pectic cellulose, particularly in Idogonium, is a three layers is there. Okay, innermost, middle, and outermost. Okay, so you see one, it is the innermost, it is a cellulosic layer is there. Middle layer there is often pectic is there, and next one there is often chitin is there. Okay, these are in outermost layers. These three layers give of rigidity to the cells and also provide protections. Excellent protection layers is there. Okay, cell wall. Here now you see this is a cell wall. This is in cell walls. Okay, so these cell wall, how many layers is there? Three layers: inner, middle, outer. Okay. From here to we are looking in three layers. Before only two layers is there. Okay, this is also one complex structure is there. Yeah, here now this of in outer, inner, middles. Okay, yeah, next one. After the cell wall, so we are looking one special type of the structures is there in all the cells. So that is in plasma membrane. That is in plasma membranes. Plasma, liquid like structures. Okay. Below the cell wall. Below the cell wall. So we are looking one special type of the structures is there. We call that is a plasma membrane. Here, the plasma membrane is contained protoplasm. Okay, protoplasm that houses a nucleus. Okay, nucleus is there. And one more important point here. In Idogonium, the nucleus we are not looking to the center part of the cell. So here the nucleus we are looking just above the below the plasma membrane, below the cell wall we are looking in nucleus. So we'll discuss that later. And next one, that is of reticulate chloroplast, central vacuole. You see now here, center part you are looking in vacuoles. Okay, so that is in structures. And the cell sap which is present inside the central vacuole is a composed of inorganic compounds, secretions, and so whatever it may be, in all type of inorganic compounds and organic compounds. So whatever the structures you are looking, same type of the structures are also looking inside the cell. Now you see here, the nucleus is a large and oval shaped, and it sits in the center of above the cell, above the, okay, so center part you are looking the nucleus. The cell of Idogonium also consists of typical Golgi operators, all endoplasmic reticulums, similarly mitochondria. All cell organelles you are also looking in Idogoniums. Next one. Okay, this is of algae body. It is also very simple. Next, cell divisions is most important in this one. Where is the cell divisions? Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, no problem. Yes. Yes. Okay. Here now you see this of in Idogonium. Yeah, this is in a thallus structures. Okay. You see this here. One structure cell is there. This is all the cap cells. Okay. Visible this one? Please respond anyone. Please respond anyone.
It is clear, sir. Clear.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Here now you see this is a Phenidogonium. Here thallus structures. Yeah, already is completed in the thallus structures. You know very well. Cell wall, it is a 3 layers is there. Plasma membrane is there. And next one, so many cell organelles also we are looking in that one. Cell organelles also. And next one, reproduction system of Idogonium. Reproduction system. So here, cell division is most important. Reproduction system, cell division. Okay. Now you see here, cell division. The cell wall of the genus made up of 3 layers. It is already completed. Where the cell division is there. For example, now you see here, this is the thallus. Number 1, it is in thallus. Okay, now time is over. They are calling. Okay, we'll discuss in tomorrow onwards. Cell wall in Idogonium.
Sir, excuse me.
Huh?
Can
So
we get this PDF file, sir, in group?
Okay, okay, we'll send. I will send.
Thank you.
I will send.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.